We have a question for definite integral. I is equal to integrate 0 to pi by 2 sine square x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. Let us take this as equation number 1. Now using the property integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integrate 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Using the King's rule, we can replace x with a minus x, pi by 2 minus x. So I again can be written as integrate 0 to pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus x. Sin 90 minus x will be cos x. So sin square pi by 2 minus x will be cos square x divided by sin pi by 2 minus x is again cos x plus cos pi by 2 minus x will give you sin x dx. This is the second equation. If we add both the equations 1 plus 2, on the left side I plus I will give you 2i, integrate 0 to pi by 2. On the right hand side the denominator is the same, sin x plus cos x. So we can add the numerator. In the numerator it will be sin square x plus cos square x, which will give you 1. Now using the formula, sin x can be represented in terms of tan x and cos x also can be represented in terms of tan x. So we can write it as integrate 0 to pi by 2. This will be 1 divided by sin x in terms of tan x will be 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2, and cos x in terms of tan x will be 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2 dx. Take LCM. 1 plus tan square x by 2 is the common denominator which will go on the numerator. It will be 0 to pi by 2 1 plus tan square x by 2 divided by 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 dx. Now this can again be written as integrate 0 to pi by 2. 1 plus tan square theta will be sec square theta. So this is sec square x by 2 divided by 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 dx. Now if we substitute tan x by 2 is equal to t, so put tan x by 2 is equal to t, we will get and differentiate it. Tan x by 2 differentiate will be sec square x by 2, derivative will be sec square x by 2 into 1 by 2. Derivative of tan x is sec square and derivative of x by 2 will be 1 by 2. Dx is equal to dt. Cross multiply these 2 to the right side. We will get sec square x by 2 dx is equal to twice dt. So substitute back to the integral. We will get 2i is equal to integration of, in the numerator it was, there in the numerator it was sec square x by 2. In place of that we will write dt divided by 2 tan x by 2, that is 2t plus 1 minus t square. So it is dt twice dt divided by 2t plus 1 minus t square. Now what will be the limit? Our old limit was 0 to pi by 2. When x is equal to 0, t will be equal to, we have substituted tan x by 2 as t. So tan x is 0. So tan 0, t will also be 0. And when x is equal to pi by 2, t will be tan x by 2, that is pi by 2 divided by 2. It will be tan pi by 4, that is equal to 1. So the new limit is now 0 to 1. The limit for x was 0 to pi by 2. Now the limit for t will be 0 to 1. So here 2i is 0 to 1. Now take negative common from the numerator. It will be 2 outside, integrate 0 to 1 dt divided by, if we take this negative common, it will be t square minus 2t minus 1. Completing the square, make this a perfect square. This is twice integration 0 to 1 dt divided by negative of t square minus 2t plus 1. I am adding 1 here, so I have to subtract 1 also. Minus 1 and this one minus 1 together will be minus 2. This is twice integration 0 to 1 dt divided by negative of these terms. These three terms will be t minus 1 the whole square minus this can be written as root 2 square. Now give this negative inside. So 2 into integration 0 to 1 dt divided by root 2 square minus t minus 1 the whole square. This is twice I. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Now using the formula integration of dx divided by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a log of mod a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Using this formula, the integration will now become I is equal to 1 by, in place of a it is root 2. So 1 by 2a will be 1 by 2 root 2 into log mod, in place of a it is root 2 plus x, in place of x it will be t minus 1, root 2 plus t minus 1 divided by root 2 minus t minus 1, that is minus t plus 1 with limit 0 to 1. So 1 by 2 root 2 log root 2 plus t minus 1 divided by root 2 minus t plus 1 with limit 0 to 1. Now substitute the limit. I will be 1 by 2 root 2 into log mod root 2 plus upper limit is 1. So put 1 in place of t, root 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1 plus 1. This is the upper limit minus, in place of lower limit we have to put 0 in place of t. So log of mod root 2 plus 0 minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 0 plus 1. So this is the lower limit. 1 by 2 root 2 into 1 minus 1 got cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 got cancelled, root 2 by root 2 it is 1. So this is log 1 minus of log mod root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. Now rationalize this term. Root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. Multiply the numerator and denominator with root 2 minus 1. So in the numerator it will become root 2 minus 1 the whole square divided by, in the denominator it will be root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1. That is root 2 minus 1 the whole square divided by a plus b, a minus b will be a square minus b square. Denominator becomes 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So this quantity is actually root 2 minus 1 the whole square. So our integration, value of the integrand will be I is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 into log 1 is 0. So into minus of log root 2 minus 1 the whole square. This 2 will come at the here. It will be minus 2 divided by 2 root 2 into log root 2 minus 1. 2 and 2 get cancelled. It will be minus 1 by root 2 into log root 2 minus 1. This was a lengthy question and an important one, so please practice it.